If you own a Can-Am Canyon and you've been on the lookout for a convenient way to carry your favorite beverage on that next ride, then you may be interested in our SE Performance adjustable drink holder. The drink holder can be mounted on either the left or right side of the bike and features an adjustment knob at the bottom to accommodate different size beverage containers. It also features a 3-position angle adjustment, allowing your drink to sit upright or tilt slightly back toward the rider based on your personal preference. This mod is 100% bolt-on and installs in minutes with the included hardware. Without further ado, allow us to walk you through the installation process.
Before you begin, ensure that your bike is parked on level ground, your ignition is off, and that your parking brake is engaged. Using a T25 Torx wrench, remove the 2 factory screws from the designated mounting location. The factory hardware will not be reused. Inside your kit, you'll find 2 screws of different lengths, one long and one short, as well as 2 spacers of different sizes. The longer screw pairs with the larger spacer, and the shorter screw pairs with the smaller spacer. Slide the shorter screw through the lowest slotted hole in the cup holder and through the bottom hole in the mounting bracket. Then place the smaller spacer on the back side. Attach the cup holder to the lower mounting hole, finger tight to start. Then tighten most of the way with a 3mm Allen wrench, holding the cup holder in place. Next, add the larger spacer between the bike and the bracket in the top location, and insert the longer screw. You can now tighten both the bottom and top screws snug without over-tightening. You'll notice there's 3 threaded holes near the top of the bracket where the cup holder is mounted to. These allow you to tilt the cup holder, offering flexibility in positioning. To change the tilt position, simply remove this screw with a 3mm Allen wrench. Adjust the cup holder to your preferred position, then tighten it back down, making sure not to over-tighten. To install the cup holder on the right side of the bike, the installation steps are exactly the same. Just invert the bracket to make sure the cup holder is facing the rider.
If staying hydrated on your next ride is important to you, head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab an adjustable drink holder for your ride, and feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on 3 wheels. Thanks for watching.